In this quick video, I'm going to be covering the Map My Customers dashboard. So the dashboard is what you're going to see when you first log into the web version of Map My Customers. As a manager, this is a good place to just get quick snapshots of what's going on with your reps. Starting in the first box, this is the box that's going to show you the activities that the reps have set up for today. It's going to show you by all the reps. However, you are able to select certain users if you want to hone in on one particular user. You're also able to shuffle through the calendar and find different days if you're looking for the activities that happen on one particular day. Another important aspect of this is the Show Completed button. So if I toggle on Show Completed, I can see that none of the activities have been completed yet for today, but as I can see, the majority of them are set up for later in the day. So that button's just going to help me see if maybe this email was supposed to go out at 3:12 and it hasn't gone out yet. I can just check in with the user that it's associated with and check in and make sure that it was something that was going to happen soon. The next box is your recently added recently added companies. This is going to just give you a quick snapshot of all the new companies being added into your system. You can again filter it down by individual users, and you can up this limit to up to 100 pins. This third box is going to just be our feedback panel. We would love to hear any feedback or suggestions that you have regarding the tool, whether it be for mobile or web. If you have any suggestions about how to make your experience a little bit better, we really do want to hear them. If it's something that could enhance your experience, it's very likely something that could improve the experience of another user as well. Down here, you move into the deals section. This one is just going to give you a quick snapshot of the deals in a pie chart form. It's going to tell you which percentage of deals are in which stage, as well as, once again, you can filter this one down by individual users, and you can pick which specific funnel you'd like. For me, I only have one funnel, so there's only one option to choose from. Fifth, we have the activities by rep. So this first box is going to give you the breakdown of what the activities are, when they are, things like that. This one is going to give you more of information about who's being highly active. This is important because if you have some reps that are performing quite a few activities compared to others, or some that are doing it more extended over the week versus others, it's good to know how many activities that your reps are logging. You're able to toggle this over the last 30 or 90 days. You can also see that this is broken down by reps with the colors representing which rep is being represented by the pins. You can toggle this down by the individual users, as well as select certain activity types. So if you really only want to tone in on the in-person meetings or those calls and emails that your reps are doing, you can just select those, and then the graph will readjust itself. Finally, but last but not least, we have the activities by type, which is just going to break down similarly these activities, but by what type of meeting they are. Again, you can do it over the last 30 or 90 days, and you can hone in on specific users and activity types. So if I just want to see what member 1 has actually done for activities, I can see that they've evenly been spending their time doing calls, dinners, and emails. And it'll just help me get a quick understanding of how my reps are functioning in the field and what really is going on their day-to-day.